This is a CA30 amplifier circuit board. I am going to change this board. This is the heatsink. I am going to fix this board with this heatsink. First, I am going to fix the transistor. This is the thermal paste. First, I use 4 transistors. This is the separator. Must use the separator because one is positive transistor, another one is negative transistor. For this case, you have to use separator. Again, I am using the thermal paste. Now I have to check this transistor. This is positive 2SC5200. This side is positive transistor 2SC5200. 2SC5200. This is the dot. Need to replace. Okay. This side also need two transistor 5200 to SC5200. Now we need another side. This side is for negative transistor 2SA 1943. Same I am using 4 transistor into corner. Now start to check transistor. It's this transistor will be negative transistor. All will be negative here. This side 2SA 1943. This PR transistor is very common transistor and best. First I am using this 8 transistor. Later I will use another all. First I am using 4. The screw all are loose. After fitting the transistor, I will tight all screw. Now I have to solder with the transistor. I am going to soldering. I am soldering this transistor. Now another side. First one is the driver transistor. Solder nicely because two side print. I have to solder nicely. I already put all transistor. You can see. Wait for a while, please. Wait for a while. I will fix all transistor. Here need all transistor. This side also need all this side for MOSFET. This for MOSFET. 250 250 N. 4 MOSFET need 250 N. Okay, I'm using this MOSFET 250 N. N channel MOSFET. This is N channel MOSFET. Negative channel MOSFET. This is 3060 diode. 3060, this is a diode. This side all are 5200 positive resistor. All transistors should be 5200. I already fixed all transistor. Look, the circuit is ready. Circuit is ready. Now I have to cut the extra leg. Extra transistor leg. I am cutting the leg. The circuit is ready to use. Okay, thank you for watching the video.